So here I have my GSR 12 volt 15 Bosch Professional. I put a new motor in and the motor works fine. I'll show you in a minute. Everything's set up properly. If I turn it on, it runs fine. No smoke. Now I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to put this on and watch what happens. Okay, so now I have the case on. You see it's not screwed in. Don't worry about that. I have the switch, but that's not what I want to show. Watch this. So you can hear the motor is running fine. There's no smoke. Now, as soon as I squeeze this together or screw it together, something changes and then it starts smoking. Let me try to set up my phone so you can watch this. Okay, I'm gonna do full power and then I'll press down on here as if it was screwed together, and then watch here, smoke will come out and you'll hear the motor change. Okay, there's no smoke this time, of course, but normally there is. If I squeeze, okay, but often smoke comes out. You can see that when I squeeze it together or screw it together, the motor just starts slowing down. Something's wrong. And if I remove this, I cannot tell anything wrong with my setup. I have everything locked in place. The wires, I think, are in the right spot. There's nothing rubbing against anything. There's space for the screw behind the motor. Does anyone know what I'm doing wrong? And why? Only when I squeeze the back does it rub or cause